Fear of work. We can definitely relate to that shit. I know everybody does. Relate to fear of going to work. Fear of the future. Chronophobia. Fear of technology. Technophobia. Wow. Did escalate phobia. What the fuck? Fear of school. Fear of loud noises. Now, I can honestly understand this one right here. I can understand this one. Loud noises, that shit irks the shit out of me. You loud as hell for no reason. That is crazy. I have the fear of this too. I didn't even know. Nosocomophobia, if I pronounced it right. The fear of hospitals. Nigga, I can't stay in the hospital. That's why I would keep my black ass far away from it, to be exact.